A successful sign manufacturer is not a sheet metal worker, he's not a painter, he's not a designer, he's not an electrical person, he's everything. Because you have to be multi-skilled to be successful. I built this business when I started to grow it with carpenters and boat builders and cabinet makers. Well, they brought a lot of their knowledge that I converted back into sign manufacturing. I don't have a carpenter here now, but I have a lot of other skills that are coming together. They've still got a craft, same as the old days, but just a different craft. I joined the company when I was 16. It was founded in 1875 by my great-grandfather, making rubber stamps. My grandfather then joined him. Just before the war, my dad joined him. Dad learned all about acrylics through the Air Force. Plastic signs and all that sort of stuff flowed from there. And then ultimately moved forward in the 70s to vacuum forming. We took the company national about that time through our major clients, which were Shell and Kmart and Woolworths and people like that. And then we went international, and here we are. We are manufacturers building a boutique product. Directional signs inside shopping malls, directional signs in car parks, major shopping centres. They all have their own idiosyncrasies of what they are, whether it be the engineering for the wind loading, the message panels, the colour, and we brought innovation all the time. That uniqueness and quality, building good product and delivering what we said we're going to deliver. We use a range of plastics and aluminium and steel. So we use a whole range of different materials formed in different ways today with different skills. I first started to use aluminium and Capral back in the late 60s, early 70s, where it wasn't used very often. It was mainly zinc and eel, Galvabond and steel. Aluminium had a lot more versatility because it's light, it's easily weldable. We still do run extrusion dies to make any shape we want. We then built forming dies to be able to form it and bend it. We also roll form a lot of product, and we use coils, we use sheets, all different thicknesses and different tempers, like soft tempers, hard tempers. Capral carry the whole range, and that gives us a lot more versatility. And the technical expertise behind that is also very important to be able to make sure that we can deliver. Aluminium fabrication is extremely important to us. We've done quite a lot of public art. Probably 99% of it is fabricated aluminium of some form. And it takes a huge amount of time, a lot of skill to get it right. But our metal shop is really, really unique. If I've got to assemble a sign and we're really busy, then I expect my sheet metal workers to come over and have the skill to be able to help assembling that sign. The success of this company is the people in it that can multi-skill. Supply chain's everything, and Capral have been a supplier for a long, long time. And their service has always been impeccable. So I know that, I can be confident with the product that they deliver us. We've probably made, just in Australia, in the vicinity of $300 to $400 million worth of signs in probably a couple of decades. With our factory in China, they would have built 200 or 300 million Australian dollars worth of signage. And the Philippines, they've been there for 20 years, so the brand has built hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars worth of product and is still continuing to do so. I was walking down the Bund in Shanghai and just see sign after sign after sign with our name on it. That's pretty adrenaline pumping as far as I was concerned, for a Brisbane sign maker to be doing that. I still got so much passion for the business, for the industry. I couldn't imagine me doing anything else in my life. To think from when we used to make rubber stamps in Brisbane to what we do now, that gives me a great sense of achievement.